Here we will write a Python program to convert binary number to decimal. So in comment line we will write, to convert binary number to decimal, we will multiply each digit by 2's exponential. For example, if we want to convert 101 binary number to decimal, we will separate out the digit and will multiply with, for first digit we will multiply 2 raised to 0. So it will be 1. Then we will multiply 0 with 2 raised to 1. So 0 into 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 0. And then we will multiply 1 with 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4. So the output will be 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5. So decimal equivalent of 101 is 5. For this, first we will accept binary number from the user. So n equal to int input, enter binary number. Then we will declare two variables. One is I, which is initialized with 1, and another is result, which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while n greater than 0, first we will separate out the digit. So d equal to n mod 10. Then we will multiply this digit d with I. So r equal to d into I. And we will add this r into result. So result equal to result plus r. And then we will remove last digit from the number. So n equal to n floor division 10. And we will multiply I equal to I into 2. And then after completing while loop, we will print decimal number. So print decimal equivalent of number, and we will print result. When we execute this, I will enter binary number 101. It will print decimal equivalent of number is 5. Here first it will separate out the digit. So first separate digit will be 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1. So we initialized I equal to 1. So it will multiply d with I, that is 1, and we will add this r into result. And then we remove last digit from the number using floor division. And we will multiply I with 2, that is 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. So we multiply I with 2.